Today we are going to build this 4x8 woodshed. It will hold 1 cord of wood. We will need 6 treated 2x8x8s for the floor joists, 11 treated 2x4x8s for the floorboards, 8 treated 2x4x8 for the posts, 5 2x8x10s for the fascia and roof supports, 9 2x8x8s for the rafters, 15 8-foot cedar fence boards, and nails and screws. The first thing we're going to do is lay out one of the treated 2x8s. This will be the rim joist. And we'll make it look like wood. Now we're going to copy this over so it measures 4 feet outside to outside. Then make a joist that is 3 foot 9 inches. Then copy those every 16 inches. I just made mine equally spaced, which comes out to be 15 3/4 inches. Now I'm going to put on the 2x4 floorboards. I'm going to leave an inch between each board because we need good airflow. The last board should be flush with the rim joist. Now I'm going to build posts at the corners with 2x4s. The posts in the back are 6 feet tall, and in the front they are 8 feet tall. I'm putting lag screws through these 2x4s to give them more support, and this is just an example, but they will go in every post. Here I'm adding 2 feet to the height of the post to make the front wall 8 feet tall. Now I'm going to take a 10-foot 2x8 and attach it to the top of the posts, front and back. And I want a 12-inch overhang on each side. Now I'm going to take an 8-foot 2x8 and make a rafter. Set it on top of the front and back supports. Draw a line up from the inside of the high side and the outside of the low side. Then draw a line up 1.5 inches and cut out the little triangle to make a bird's mouth. Then set the rafter down on the supports. I want a 12-inch overhang, so I will make a vertical cut at 12 inches. Cut all the rafters the same and lay them out at 16 inches on center. Take one of the 10-foot 2x8s and place it on the end of the rafters to make a fascia. It can be flush with the bottom of the rafter. Then do the same at the top. I'm going to use cedar fence boards for the inside because they are rot resistant and will last for a long time. These boards are about 6 inches wide, and I'm going to leave a 3-inch gap in between. Now I can just copy these to the other side and also to the back. If you can't find 8-foot cedar fence boards and you can only find 6-foot, you can always put a 2x4 in the middle of the back wall. Now I need to put some 1x3 furring strips along the top for the metal roofing. They're going to be 24 inches on center. You can also use 1x2s, but I find that they split more easily. And one more at the very top. Now I can add my metal roofing sheets on top of the furring strips. Now I'm going to take one more 10-foot 2x8 and put it on under the rafters on the inside of the high wall just for added support because I live in an area that gets a lot of snow. And we're all done.